The Department of Health and Human Services is ending 7 grants for the American Academy of Pediatrics. The Academy claims it was in retaliation for speaking out against the administration's actions that the group believes threaten children's health. The pediatrics group argues the cuts undermine the health and safety of all Americans. The suit is asking a judge to immediately block the funding cuts. A group of Democratic-led states have filed a lawsuit challenging a new Trump administration policy that seeks to bar transgender care for minors at federally funded hospitals. The lawsuit centers on a proposal announced by HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. last week. It targets hospitals that provide transgender medical care to minors by barring their participation in federal health programs like Medicare and Medicaid. The states claim the policy unlawfully interferes with their administration of Medicaid. As you gather with family to wrap up the holidays, health experts say it's a good time to also assess how aging loved ones are doing because a lot can change in a year. Mandy Gaither has the subtle signs that seniors may be struggling at home.
It's time to be together with the ones you love, and what better gift to give this holiday season than making sure your aging relatives are safe.
It's just an opportunity where we start to see the changes as they develop in real time based on the fact that we're all meeting together.
Dr. Case Tedder with Orlando Health says those changes can be subtle and include balance difficulties, trouble getting up from a chair, leaning on a wall, clinging to a handrail for short distances, and loss of grip strength. All of these can lead to a fall, which is the leading cause of injury for adults 65 and older.
It's a very preventable thing and something that we can easily make adjustments to avoid.
To keep seniors safe, Tedder says to eliminate home hazards like clutter, loose rugs, cords, and in the bathroom, make sure there are grab bars and a shower with a non-slip mat, chair, or one you don't have to step into. And also make sure there's plenty of lighting and that they wear shoes that are sensible.
Be careful with house shoes or socks that don't have any grip on the bottom. This is a huge source of falls as people try to get out of the bed.
Physical activity is important at every age, and Tedder says it can also help prevent falls.
Easy strength training balance exercises, 10 to 15 minutes, even a day, or a stress ball with grip strength or small weights can sometimes improve tremendously balance and coordination.
Dr. Tedder adds that it's also a time to assess an aging loved one's cognitive health. If it's declining, they may be defensive or hesitant to say anything's wrong, but it's important to address it. He says to share your concerns with that loved one, but do so with dignity and empathy.